We took them through everything here. We took them through almost every building on campus. We had it all set for them so they're ready if they ever choose McMaster.
I'm from Six Nations. My name is Ęyagowihwayędi'se, so that means she who carries the matters. Everyone calls me Gus for short. I'm Mohawk, Wolf Clan.
My name's Ęyagowihwayędi'se. I study at STEAM and I live on the Six Nations of the Grand River Reserve.
My name is Lila. I'm going to McKinnon and I'm going into 11th grade.
My name is Cameron. I participated in the STEM Summer Camp as the student team lead. It was basically a perfect fit for me to go in this camp because we're learning the science and the Indigenous, which are pretty much important on both ends.
They are working on a program called Petapixel. So it's a picture of a strawberry and it's really blown up under a microscope, and it has all the labels on it of the different parts. And so within each part they're putting in the activities from the week and they're relating it to the strawberry. It's kind of a story through photos. They're going to tell a story maybe about their feelings, their experiences, maybe something they learned culturally or on the more science side.
My favorite activity that we did at the TEK-STEM camp was probably when we went river wading, and we got to explore all the things that were in the water, and it was a very hands-on activity. I thought it was very fun and a unique way to learn about the waters and what was in there.
I think my favorite bits of the experience was there was a lot of cultural learning that happened here. I'm not very deep into the culture, but I still understand quite a bit. But thanks to this camp, I've got to understand different perspectives and views on things that I thought were pretty set in stone, which was really awesome to have that external view on stuff.
This age group, it's like 10s, 11s, maybe 12s, like grades. We wanted them to consider university and actually like get a feel of the university as well. This is something to continue to inspire, to keep Indigenous students wanting to do STEM.
I feel like I learned a lot more through this Tech and STEM and how they were connected, just through a lot of the things that we did throughout the camp. And it was just really interesting to see everything being put together and just like learning about lots of different things. I personally thought this experience was really fun, and I think that it would be really cool to pursue a science degree, and I feel like it would be a really cool experience to do that at McMaster or anywhere else.
I think it's opened the door for new experiences for them. It's shown them kind of maybe some career paths, some new interests for them, as well as just like some new friends. And then they have memories that like are gonna last their whole lives, right?
It has kind of opened my eyes to what McMaster could be and can be if I were to attend.